This video will guide you through the steps to manage room blocking during the reservation process. Click on the Reservation tab in the navigation bar. Next, select the Reservation List tab located in the navigation bar. It is advisable to book in advance, so be sure to check availability ahead of time. Click on the Number of Rooms field to edit the number of rooms for a reservation. Proceed by clicking the Lock button in the modal. Select a room by clicking on checkbox. Choose the specific rooms that require reservation blocking. Click the Save button in the modal to save the changes. To close the modal, simply click the Close button. Click on the Home tab in the navigation bar. The rooms that are blocked are highlighted in yellow. Be aware that G1 is currently blocked, making check-in unavailable. Click on the Check-in button for room G1 on the dashboard. G1 is temporarily blocked for the reserved room. Navigate back to the Home section by clicking on the Home button in the navigation bar. In this similar manner, every blocked room responds. Therefore, all the rooms have been successfully blocked following the reservations.